In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and pay bills in QuickBooks Online. So first, log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then from the left-hand menu, click the plus new button, and then select the bill under the vendor sections. So in here, choose the vendor name, and then enter the bill date, due date, and bill number if available. And then you can now add the category or product service, the amount, tax if applicable, and you can also attach a copy of the actual bill as a reference. So once done, click save and close. And now to pay the bill, go back to the plus new and then click on the pay bills, and then you'll see a list of all unpaid bills in there. So select the one you want to pay and then choose the payment account and then like a bank or credit card, and then enter the payment date and amount. So after reviewing everything, you can now click save and close, and then the payment will now be recorded in your books, and that's it. So you've successfully added and paid a bill in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.